In this WordPress tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to install WordPress step by step. Installing WordPress is the first step you need to take before you can create your website with WordPress. There are two ways to install WordPress. The most popular method is through a web hosting provider. A web hosting provider provides you with a domain name for your website along with web hosting where you can install WordPress to begin creating your site. A web hosting provider I recommend is HostGator. HostGator provides affordable pricing, fast website load times, and excellent customer service. I provide a link to HostGator in the description below, along with an exclusive HostGator coupon code that HostGator has provided me with, so you can save some money on your HostGator hosting purchase, plus a free domain name on annual plans or a domain discount on non-annual plans. You will get a greater discount than you see here. You'll get HostGator hosting for as low as $271 a month. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from HostGator at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome HostGator discount. The second method to install WordPress is by installing it locally on your computer. But for your website to be live on the internet, you'll still need a domain name and web hosting. So I'll be covering how to install WordPress locally in a separate tutorial. Let's get started. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the HostGator homepage. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the HostGator Plans page. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Hatchling, Baby, and Business plan. You'll see the discounted amount that is being shown for the plans. You'll be able to save even more than what is showing with our exclusive HostGator promo code. The Hatchling plan is a great plan if you're going to have one site or just starting out. If you're going to have multiple sites, the Baby plan is a good plan as it allows unlimited websites. These 2 plans are most popular when first getting started with WordPress. Click the Buy Now button on the plan you want to select. You will now be on the Choose a Domain section. You can type in a domain name that you'd like for your site. If you click the .com over to the right, you can choose the domain extension you want for your domain name. After you choose your domain, scroll down and you'll see the domain privacy protection that is selected if you chose a domain name. You can select or unselect domain privacy. Completely up to you. I do recommend domain privacy as it'll keep your personal information private so that spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your personal information and contact you by phone and email with offers of their services. Now let's enter the HostGator promo code. Scroll down to the Enter a Coupon Code section. Replace the promo code that is there with Cupid60. Scroll back up to the Billing Cycle section. You'll now see the new discounted rates showing. You'll see you can save the most money by going with the 12-month term. Once you choose a hosting term to go with, scroll down to the Create Your HostGator Account section. Enter an email address and password. Next, scroll down to the Enter Billing Info section. Input your billing information. You can also choose to pay with PayPal if you wish. Next, scroll down to the Add Additional Services section. This is where you can select any HostGator add-on services that you want. All these add-ons are completely optional. I'm not going to select any of these options. Now just scroll down and accept the terms and conditions and click the Checkout Now button. HostGator will now automatically take you to the HostGator dashboard. We now want to install WordPress so you can begin in building and creating your WordPress site. Click the Launch CPanel button, which will take you to the HostGator CPanel. Scroll all the way down to the bottom to the Softaculous Apps Installer. Click on WordPress. Click the Install Now button. You're now on the WordPress setup page. Where you see the Choose a Protocol, I recommend having this at first HTTP. It can take up to 24 hours upon signing up with HostGator to get the free SSL certificate going to where you can choose HTTPS without any errors. You can easily implement the free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate after you install and set up WordPress with a few clicks, which will make it HTTPS. Next, choose a domain that you want to have for the WordPress installation. You'll see the version of WordPress you want to install. I'm going to keep it on the current version. Next, put in the site name, site description. You'll see you can select Enable Multi-Site WPMU and disable WordPress cron. I'm going to keep these unselected. Over to the right, put in the admin username, which will be the username for logging into WordPress. Put in a password and put in an email address. Scroll down and you can change the language for WordPress if you'd like. If you want anything over on the right, you can select it. I'm not going to select anything. Next, if you click Advanced Options, there are selections you can select if you'd like. I'm going to keep these as they are. Next, scroll down to Select a Theme. You can choose a WordPress theme for your site here. There are thousands of themes to choose from in the WordPress dashboard. If you happen to see one here you like, feel free to select it, but you can do this in WordPress. Click the Install button. WordPress is now being installed. It'll take a few minutes. Once it is done installing, you will see congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Click the administrative URL to go to the WordPress dashboard. This is the WordPress dashboard. To log into WordPress, just enter your domain name with a /wp-admin, just like you see here. This will take you to the WordPress login page for your site. Once logged in, you'll be in the WordPress dashboard. You can now begin in creating your WordPress site. That is my WordPress tutorial going over how to install WordPress. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.